Hello my brothers and sisters. In this video, I would like to explain you and make you understand how safer it is to become a part of network marketing compared to any other traditional business. How safer? Okay? So if you understand these points I'm going to explain you in this video, if you understand these points, that is going to change your life. Why? Because you know your company is going to stay with you and with your next generation for next hundreds of years. You know that this network marketing is the most safest method of distributing products and services around the world, right? So try to understand these points very clearly. If you understand these points very clearly, done, you are done. Just think about an organization which is doing a retail business, a traditional business. So I'll explain you. I don't want to take any names of any organization. So let's say a mobile phone company, or let's say a laptop company, a company selling laptops. You guys can think about a very popular laptop brand, but I will just take a brand called X. Okay, so this is the X company, one of the top most companies in the world. So this company, X company, has to sell X model laptops globally. So for that, they have to spend a lot of money on research and development. A lot of money, millions of dollars. And they have to open shops globally. Every country in the world, they have to open shops, right? In these shops, there must be people who are working, workers or employees. They have to spend money to pay salaries to them monthly. What else? They have to pay utilities of all these shops, which means electricity bills and water bills. And they have to pay tax when they are distributing products to different countries. Depending on the laws of different countries, the tax rates are different. So money is spent on tax. They have to spend more money on ads or marketing. Usually they spend about 50 to 60% of their whole revenue again back to advertisements and marketing. Okay, so a lot of dollars are spent on advertisements and marketing. What else? They have to spend more money on transport. They have to spend money on transportation of laptops to different countries, right? And they have to open service centers. They have to have again employees and all of these people in the service centers also, right? Not just shops. So do you see how much money they have to spend to sustain their business? So by spending all this money, if this company X can't sell enough laptops and get profit back to the company X, what is going to happen to this company? They will not get enough money to do R&D, to spend on shops, to spend on salaries of workers, to spend on utilities, to spend on tax, to spend on ads and marketing, to spend on transport, to spend on service centers. They will not have that money if they don't get enough revenue. So then what happened? This company will bankrupt. This organization will completely bankrupt. So always they need to make sure they are staying on the top. So let me give you one example. Do you remember there was a time a mobile phone called Nokia was there? It was the biggest brand in the whole world. I think maybe 10-15 years ago. And then suddenly they took little longer time to switch from Symbian software in mobile phones to Android. So because of this delay by this research and development team, because of this little delay, people start buying other mobile phones. And what happened to Nokia market? Nokia market went down. Nokia almost bankrupted during that time. So because of this, it's very risky to build a huge organization like Nokia. Okay? Because you are going to spend a lot of money here. And if you don't get enough revenue, you are going to get bankrupt. So now let me talk to you about network marketing. Okay? So let's delete this company called X here. And we will add A network marketing company. Network marketing company. Now, a network marketing company nowadays, most of the companies are e-commerce based. Do the company has to do research and development? Mostly no, they don't have to do research and development because they are partnered with other manufacturers, other product manufacturers, other high branded products, right? So they just take their products and add into their marketing company, network marketing company, and they distribute. That's it. So those other companies, other manufacturers, they do research and development. Does the network marketing company has to do research and development? No. They don't have to spend money on research and development. So no money spent on research and development. Okay? So shops, do you have to open shops? No. Nowadays all the network marketing companies are 100% on e-commerce. So do they have to hire workers? No need to hire workers because it's on e-commerce. They just need to hire some workers to maintain the websites and servers. Only that. Right? Do they have to open shops everywhere and have a lot of workers in every city in the country? No, no need. Right? So they save a lot of money, which in traditional business they pay to workers. Right? And then utilities. No shops, no utilities, right? So tax. No need to pay tax even for products. Because the customer is paying tax while buying the product. Let's say a company based on Hong Kong, a customer is buying from Thailand. Product will be coming through DHL or shipping service, right? And when it comes to Thailand, I have to pay tax and take the product, right? So customer is paying tax also. And the only tax company pays is the income tax of the company to that respective country. That's it, right? And then how about ads and marketing? No need to pay. Distributors are recommending the products and services and they are getting the products and services sold. No need to spend money early on advertisements and marketing. Distributors are doing that for the network marketing company. So network marketing company does not need to spend money on advertising and marketing, right? So when a distributor sold a product by closing a prospect, then a share of the profit from the product will be shared by the distributor, right? So how about transport? As I told you, for product transport, customer is paying tax and also the cost for transport, shipping and handling. So no money spent on transport. And how about service centers? They have their own service centers in their respective countries. If there's a problem with our product, we just have to ship it back to that country so that they will focus on servicing our product. In bigger network marketing markets, most of the network marketing companies, they just put one service center to the whole country so that the whole country can send all the products which needs to be serviced. Okay, so mostly they won't spend much money on service centers like other traditional business manufacturers because they don't have to spend money on R&D, shops, workers, utilities, tax, ads and marketing, transport, service centers. Do you think these network marketing companies will ever bankrupt? Do you think about that? Think about that for a second. Do you think these companies will ever bankrupt? Never, right? Because if there's a product or service is being sold, then only the company will deliver the product to the customer. That product also they don't manufacture by themselves. They take it from another company which they are partnered with. Because of this method where network marketing is following right now in this 21st century, there is no risk for a network marketing company to fail. But a traditional business can disappear in next 2-3 years. The biggest businesses you can see, I don't want to take names of those companies, the top most companies in the world might disappear in the next 2-3 years. But these network marketing companies will stay around for the next 100 years. Because of this, they don't have to worry too much about how are they going to get bankrupt. They don't have to worry about that bankruptcy. So I hope you understood why network marketing is a very, 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 very safer business model for you to take it serious to the next level. So if you take it serious, you have a very long future. When everything is collapsing due to different crises coming along the way, but this business model will always survive. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you get this message. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Love you guys.